Everyone is still arguing about ChatGPT versus Claude. Meanwhile, 5 quieter tools are already changing how people build, write, and ship. These aren't the loudest launches. They're the ones almost nobody on your timeline is using yet. Here are 5 under-the-radar AI tools worth stealing early. Number 1. V0 by Versal. You describe an interface in plain English, and it generates clean UI you can actually use. Landing pages, dashboards, forms. If you've ever lost a weekend fighting layout, this feels unfair. It's still quieter than the big chatbots, and that's your advantage. Number 2. Lovable. You chat your product into existence, screens, logic, iterations. It's built for people who want a real MVP without assembling 10 tools. Founders and freelancers are quietly shipping internal tools with it, while most of YouTube is still posting generic prompt lists. Number 3. Granola. AI meeting notes that feel natural instead of like a court transcript dumped on your desk. It helps you leave calls with clear follow-ups instead of fog. If client work fills your calendar, this is one of the highest leverage quiet tools right now. Number 4. Wispr Flow. Voice to text that actually keeps up with how you think. Draft emails, docs, and messages by talking, then edit. For people who type slower than they think, this removes a daily bottleneck without forcing you into a new writing app. Number 5. Tana. An AI-native notes system for people whose work is messy on purpose. Research, projects, clients, ideas. It helps you capture once and find things later without building a second brain ritual you'll abandon in a week. Quieter than Notion hype. Often more useful for deep work. Don't install all 5 today. Pick the one pain you feel most. Building UI, shipping an MVP, meeting notes, drafting speed, or organizing research. Use that tool for 7 days. Early adopters win by focus, not by collecting logins. That's the list. V0, Lovable, Granola, Wispr Flow, and Tana. The loud tools get the debates. The quiet ones get the leverage. Next video, I'll show you how to build a custom GPT that does your boring work step by step. Subscribe so you don't miss it. See you in the next one.